Yeah, I'm gonna have to take some of this comb out because this one's really heavy. I don't think as heavy as the full ones were before, but see, this is comb off the previous one. I'm just gonna have to cut that off. Okay. Oh, look at that girl trying to sting me right there. She's so upset. Right here. She was sitting there stinging at my coat. In fact, there's her stinger right there. Sorry.
So I'm gonna pick you up, so you're gonna get a little jiggled here. I want to bring this in and look at that capped comb. Isn't that beautiful? See all that white? It's capped over. It's just gorgeous and nummy. Anyhow, gonna put you back out where you were. Or so, right around there. Oops. You can see all those bees just like going, hey, what's going on? Yeah, they're a little pissed. Okay, I'm going to fix you because you're a little crooked. There we go. I'm sitting in a molehill. Oh, it is warm out here.
I'm going to need to smoke them a little bit. They're starting to get really super duper aggressive here.
Yes, sister. I have sweatpants on under my dress, so you don't have to worry about me. We don't like to smoke a lot, but when they get really aggressive, we have to. Well, we don't smoke them a lot, even when they get aggressive. We still.
Stop.
Boy, this isn't going very well, honey.
Okay. Damn.
Oh, that's beautiful. Should we look on the other side of that one?
Look at the honey dripping off.
Let's look at the other side of this one. Do the same.
No, they're trying though. They're really.
Would you like different gloves? Let's take that one.
Okay, brush please.
Okay, so he's going to brush the bees off. We're going to go ahead and take this comb. It's a nice full comb of honey. Looks like they still have room to build more. So we're going to get a So what he's doing is he's just brushing the bees off, nice and gentle. They don't like it, but oops. Okay, now he's going to take the comb and I'm going to turn you around.
Okay, I need that other knife.
Okay. Oh, we didn't bring the other knife. So I'm going to turn you around. He's going to brush off some more bees and I'm going to go grab the knife.
Here, take the brush. I'm having a wardrobe malfunction.
Oh, okay.
And I'm just going to let this go in.
Okay, so he's cutting the comb off. And we're just putting it in the cooler. because it's a nice clean place for it to go and the bees can't get to it when it's cut off. Whoop. Alright, we'll probably edit out some of this.
Turn the camera off for a second.
Okay.